I'm Kelsey with Two Structures. I'm out here in Montereau, so I want to show you through this house, 14532 lawn. This house is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3-car garage, and it's just over 1,900 square feet. And we're here at a curve in the neighborhood, and I want to show you what it's beside. Here's the front of the house, but it's also right by the park, which also has 2 basketball hoops over there. So that's great if you have kids, and it's great if you don't have kids, because honestly, we never see anybody over here. So you don't have a neighbor on this side, and it's really quiet. Go ahead and go in. We have this nice covered porch here, so a nice space for your front porch furniture. But all our houses come with this Schlage keyless entry. So you walk into this entryway here. To the right is the front bedroom or study, however you want to use that. And then to the left here is your coat closet. Here's the front bedroom study space. It has a walk-in closet. You have your water shut-off valves in here, so you don't have to go to the street to get that. In through the entry, it opens up to this really grand living room with the vaulted ceiling. We have the electric fireplace on this one with the stacked stone surround and a mantle. And then we have the 3 shelves there to display your photos, your books, your trinkets. Then over there is the master bathroom, or bedroom rather. That's the garage, laundry room, kitchen, secondary bedrooms right up that way, and then your dining room. While we're in here, I want to show you this electric fireplace. It comes with this remote here, and you can set the temperature, and you can change the colors of the rocks. So that's orange, green, and one of them just rotates through all of the colors. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen first of all. So yeah, this is where you'll keep your fridge. Take a look at this backsplash up close. So it has this kind of like red and brown look to it, with that chevron pattern. And you have your pantry, gas 5-burner range, and microwave here, dishwasher. All of this is standard. And then 2 really nice pendants. And then turning around the back way here is our dining room. Now this is an upgraded light fixture, and I really like it. It's got some like brush nickel coloring to it. It's really pretty. And then what I really like about this house is, you know, while it is a neighboring to the park, you don't have any neighbors really in the back. And so it looks like it's an acreage lot. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here's your back patio. Steps down, which I actually like that little detail of the brick. It just looks really cute and quaint. So here's the backyard, and you can see that fall foliage is turning colors out here, and you can hear the bugs chirping or making noise or whatever. And then over here you can see the park here. So I want to point out that this house has black windows, which is a big upgrade, and I think it's really pretty, really in style right now, and that light colored brick just makes those black windows pop. Back in the house, we're going to go over here. I'm going to go take a look at the secondary bedrooms. So here's this back bedroom here, has the double doors on the closets. That's a great clothing storage. On that hall here, we have a linen closet. Keep all those games, blankets, towels, sheets. Then your hall bath here, we have a really pretty granite round sink in the chrome fixture. This is a hint Kohler fixture, which is standard. All of this in here is standard aside from the window here. I can't remember if this was a mistake or what, but it's frosted. So if you didn't want blinds in here, you're still gonna have the privacy, but letting all that light in still. And then we have the 4th bedroom here with the window overlooking the park. And you have your walk-in closet as well. Oh, we didn't go this way. Let's go this way. I like this landing space. You come in from the garage and we added this. So we took out the standard mud bench area and we put this drop zone. So we added an outlet here to plug in your phones. Keep, I don't know, whatever you want to keep in this drop zone. Nice quartz countertop. Junk drawer. I know that's what that would be at my house. And then just some extra storage here. And then your laundry room. And we got a door on it here, so shut it off from the rest of the house. Let's go take a look at the garage. So here's the garage. This house comes with a sprinkler system, so that's an upgrade. You have your 3-car garage. They have the cutout for the storm shelter. And the reason why we have these cutouts is because we have post-tension foundation on all of our houses as standard. So your house is gonna be structurally secure from the ground up. Then we have our tankless hot water heater out here, and your electrical panel, and then you have a garage door opener, which also has the app accessibility, so you can open your garage from anywhere. And then your attic access is in here as well. Lastly, we're gonna take a look at the master bedroom. We have this little nook to get into the master bedroom. And I love this master bedroom because we added these 2 transoms. And it's so pretty. You can see now that the leaves are changing. So it's, you know, up higher, so it's privacy, but you have those natural light windows. And then you have the back patio door. And if you're like me and you have pets, this is so nice. Let the pets out right here instead of having to go all the way around to the dining room. Go over here, check out the master bathroom. You have a double sink vanity, and this is a granite, so it's 3 cm. It's black pearl. It's polished. Have chrome hint fixtures. Have some linen storage here for you. You have your walk-in closet. Some shoe storage. Soaker tub, water closet for privacy. We have a transom window in here as well. And then your walk-in shower with a pretty pebble design. And we put this here just so you don't have to like reach over here and get all wet as you're getting ready to take a shower. Okay, that's the end of the tour of 14513 Toulon. Thanks for hanging out with me and sticking through it. This house again is in Montereau, which is in the Piedmont School District. This neighborhood has a clubhouse, pool, park, basketball court, and this home, we have it priced at $365,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It has the vault ceilings, black windows, and the back porch that overlooks this beautiful tree space and overlooks the park. If you're interested or want to take a tour for yourself, please reach out. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.